What's going on, YouTube? Here at the shop again. I haven't given you guys an update on the Genesis, so I don't know where I left off on the last video, but I think I was showing you guys the engine being built, and so this is what we got. Definitely, it's a Siki kit, Siki oil pan. We got motor mounts and all. The head has been ported and polished, and 3-angle valves, ATI damper, and forged pistons, scot connecting rods, and all that good stuff. We're trying to make, and it's 40 over as well. We're trying to make, somewhere close to, 8 to 1,000 horsepower. I think we decided to go with a single turbo setup, just like my RX-8, and we'll go. We'll figure it out, But this engine is ready to go. The only thing I got left is obviously the intake and manifolds and all that stuff. But we're still waiting for the TH400. We're getting 1,000 horsepower rated TH400 from Jegs. So this is the old engine, and we're gonna try to. I'm gonna work this week on the wire harness, the factory wire harness. So we're utilizing. We're gonna try to utilize the gauges as well. So I'm gonna try to achieve a lot of swaps. A few people that have done the LS swap on Genesis, they haven't been able to use the gauges, but mostly they can get the temperature gauge and the RPM. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try something nobody has done before, and I know I've done it on the RX-8, which is the RX-8. I used the reluctant wheel, on it was bolted onto the damper. With the this one had the same thing. This is the crank sensor, and what it is right on the this is located on the bell housing, the transmission. So I know I've been doing a lot of research, and this apparently the tachometer uses the 60-2 reluctor wheel, or trigger wheel, what they call it. So the funny thing is gonna be how to adapt it to the engine so it will be able to read. So I'm gonna have to do a lot of fabrication, like make a bracket for this, and then somehow order a 60-2 reluctor wheel, and figure out how to mount it on the ATI damper. Like I said, RX-8, RX-7s, and Mazda Miata, they have already. There's companies out there where you can buy with the ATI damper, and it'll come with the reluctant wheel. I believe they use the 36-1. But another thing is I'm going to utilize the ECT sensor, or the engine cooling temperature. So that will be out of this harness. I'm gonna shred the whole harness apart. I'm gonna keep the fuse box so I can control the inside, the gauges and all, and get rid of everything else, and keep the ECU as well. Yeah, so that's our project for this week. Like I said, we're waiting on the transmission, and I haven't posted anything at all about what's going on. I'm also building another engine, It's a 5.3, you know, stock with flat pistons and just a factory cam, and it'll be for sale as well. I still got my SC, the Lexus is out there. I've been getting a lot of offers, but people this way don't really appreciate LS swap. They think everything is cheap, so I have a lot of low balls. It's not going anywhere. I mean, you can even LS swap anything unless you do it, you know. I mean, the prices they offer me anyway, so I'm just gonna let it sit there until I decide whatever I want to do with it. Either I was thinking about turbo in it, so why not, you know? I have my new Terminator X that I just got, so we'll see. I mean, what I do with this. But as far as the Genesis, the engine is just about completely done, and so I wanted to give you guys an update on what I'm trying to do as far as the gauges and all that. So keep you guys updated, and we'll see you guys in the next video. So take care, goodbye.